Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to make this pillow right here. Excuse me, I mean this one. Last year, I already made some leaf pillows. If you want to watch this video, just click right here. It's so soft and cozy, so without further ado, let's get started. We're going to need yarn, a pillowcase, scissors, some pins, a seam ripper, and of course our sewing machine. It's not much and you will probably have the stuff already at home. To get us going, I started with designing the pattern. I just played around in Affinity Designer and there it is. It's designed on an A2 sheet of paper, so it fits the size of the 50 by 50 cm pillowcase. But to make it printable, I split it up into 4 A4 pieces of paper. To make this pillow, I used a pillowcase made from green velvet fabric. It did cost me only $3.99. But before we can even trace the pattern, we need to unpick the seams of the already existing pillowcase. And that's where the pattern comes in. It's needed for tracing the exact same shape of the leaf I designed. I prefer to use a ball pen when tracing. If you can choose from a variety of colors, it's also convenient. On this green cloth, I used one in a dark green tone. First, I trace the leaf shape onto the fabric and then cut it out. After each of the parts is traced and cut out, it's time for sewing. To sew this, I used a straight stitch at small intervals. It goes like this. I sewed on the wings of the leaf first. Then I pinned the two pieces of fabric together, right sides facing each other, and sewed them together, leaving a small opening on the top. I stitched it together using the same stitch as before. I turned the fabric right side out and filled it with stuffing. Finally, I hand sewed the stem on and closed up the opening. And there is the final product. I love the way it turned out, and it's such a great addition to my living room decor. This was a fun and easy project that you can make too. The best part is that it's an upcycled project, so it's eco-friendly too. Because no one needs to know that I bought the pillowcase for this project, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafting and DIY videos. See you in the next one. Bye!